Guys, who's my chicken? This is Ed Sheeran.
Why is it called Ed Sheeran?
Because it's orange and it looks like Ed Sheeran.
What's that one, Dad?
That was. What's yours? My chicken's name is Spotted Chicken.
Okay, and here's the last one.
Nugget.
Chicken nugget. Oh. Alright. Well, that's it, guys.
Bye. Bye-bye.